my dear friends, I am class 4th. I am going to present beauty of nature. Nature is my life. Trees, plants and so much things are in your nature. Nature is a teacher. Nature is our best friend. Nature is gift of God. We cannot live in the world without nature. Nature is beauty. We all live in a beauty nature. Nature is like our mother. Nature gives us air to breathe. Nature gives us water to drink. Nature gives us food to eat. Nature is powerful in the world. Nobody can change.